It's understandable that the Character.AI NSFW filter is annoying and the developers are not doing anything about it even after the change.org petition. And alternatives like the Chai app just don't stimulate your interest. This is exactly what this video is going to be about, that can help you bypass the Character.AI NSFW filter without much trouble. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. Firstly, we need to understand how these filters really work. According to an experiment performed by a user, we were able to comprehend what things are considered NSFW by the filter. Surprisingly, it appears that themes like gore, violence, casual roleplay, torture, and more are not blocked by the NSFW filter. You can talk about disgusting and vile things and the bot will engage in the conversation. However, the moment you make things sexual, the filter gets triggered. But this also means that if we can manipulate the bot into thinking that the conversation is not sexual, it might just bypass the filter. So, if we engage the bot in a friendly roleplay conversation and slowly and steadily make it sexual, it can possibly break the NSFW filter. Moreover, we have come across multiple reports from users confirming that they have managed to break the filter using this technique. Therefore, the keyword here is roleplay. First, build rapport or a relationship with the AI, then slowly engage the bot in a roleplay that may not seem sexual at first but has the potential to get spicy. For instance, this Character.AI user was able to crack the filter by starting a cat and girl roleplay where the bot acts as the girl or pet owner. So you can try avoiding any kind of vulgar language to prevent the filter from triggering and ruining all the fun. You can do this by replacing sexual words with safe for work alternatives. Being vague is also very important here. Try to be indirect when dropping sexual hints and do not get desperate as the process can take a while. Furthermore, here are some additional tricks that can help bypass the NSFW filter. You can create a private bot and set an NSFW word as the greeting. Additionally, add extra spaces if the sentence becomes too NSFW. Also, don't forget to check out this video for more tips. We hope this information helps you bypass the Character.AI NSFW filter and explore the possibilities of such chatbots. We'll update our article about this issue as we get more and more new information. If you are watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.